So, I want to dedicate the song to my brother Matt, my brother Shane, my grandma Ruby, and just anybody who's lost a loved one, because I've lost a few. But yeah, here it goes. I know your life on earth was troubled, and only you could know the pain. You weren't afraid to face the devil. You were no stranger to the rain. In glorious high on the mountain, sign your work on earth is thine. And go to heaven is shouting, love for the Father and the Son. Oh, how we cried the day you left us. We gathered round your grave to grieve. I wish I could see the angels' faces when they hear your sweet voice sing. Glorious time.